No, it's not ADU's rig. It's not. No, you're gonna have to wait, mate. Wait for that. ADU's coming later in the year. They're waiting patiently. For all the Chevy lovers out there. ADU, that's you. Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. Today we've got one Tuff 2500 Chevy. This is our first big, good-looking Chevy build through the Big Dog Builds workshop. We're working on this new platform, got a range of suspension options on offer now. We look forward to showcasing what we've done on this one. This is the first of the partnership builds from Tim and Jace. We look forward to showing you both the black and the blue one. There's two totally different style vehicles and two totally different style builds, but I think you guys are gonna really like what we've done with these ones. Tim's chosen to go with the 4-inch Cognito Elite kit. This is with the Elka 2.5 remote res shocks, and man, these things drive amazing. I couldn't believe the difference from the stock vehicle to the lifted truck. The road feedback is completely gone now with this combination, and I was very impressed with the ride so far. Going above a 3-inch lift on these Chevs requires quite a bit of hoist time, so it's quite a complex kit, but in the end, doing the new drop knuckles, the new cross members, and everything that comes in this Cognito kit makes it drive amazing, looks awesome, and suits the 37, 12.5, 20-inch tyres perfectly. We think this is a great height lift kit all round. Perfect for a canopy on the back or an all-rounder, weekend all-rounder, or a full-time tourer. Not too high, not too low. We think this is bang on. Choosing to go with a flared option on this vehicle means we had to do some modifications inside the wheel arches. So we've gone for the Bushwhacker smooth flares for this one. This is a Method 605 NV in the awesome machine finish. We've gone and swapped out the outside lip bolts to black, as well as the black lug nuts and center caps. Really sets this one off and looks amazing. We've also added the AMP Research electric steps to this model. So this is a great kit to access the vehicle now that it's lifted up a little bit higher. It's also got the LED courtesy lights when the doors open and close underneath as well. This is the first shakedown run for Tim. He's taken the family away down to Yamba, New South Wales. He's going to give it a good run for its money with the van on the back, test it out, see how it performs, and then it's going to come back and fully transform into a whole new beast again. For this stage 1, we've gone and added a Gray Anderson plug for his caravan tow, as well as the Jenny Hitch Torsion combo for the rear. So this is the 5-hole drop, 4.5 ton combo, with the Jenny Hitch patent locks, both in the receiver as well as the hitch itself. So really awesome combo here. Will tow the van like a dream, no doubt. We're going to be adding some airbags in stage 2 as well as onboard air. We've got some compressors coming, Switch Pro, LED lighting, and something cool's happening to the paintwork on this vehicle. So you can see with this Chevy, we've gone for the flared option with the wider offset wheels as well as the lift height. The most important thing, guys, is choosing the right suspension for your application. If you come in, inquire with us today and tell us what height you want the vehicle, what size wheels and tyres you want. If you want it flared or non-flared, is 2 other options there. We can then give you our feedback as to what kit we think will suit your needs. Being a lower kit with wider offset, you've got limitations on wheel size with different lift kits and different brands of suspension. So get in touch today with the lift requirement, wheel size that you're choosing, flared or non-flared, and how you're using the setup. If you're going a canopy or keeping the rear end nice and light for a weekend warrior. All of that information from the get-go, guys, will get you into something awesome here at Big Dog Builds. If you've got a Chevy coming, we look forward to hearing from you and getting it in the doors to build it the way you want. We build the vehicles to suit your needs, not just what parts we have on the shelf, guys, so get in touch. Look forward to hearing from you.